What's up, guys? So this is my first week of FTMO challenge for 50K. Right now I am up close to 1,400 bucks, which is pretty good off of 3 trades. I'm gonna show you what the trades I've been making. You see, it's been 3 trades. My drawdown was like $337, which is pretty good. We make sure we have to keep it no higher than drawdown at 2,500, which I don't think I will ever make. $5,000 is the most you can lose, which is 10% of the account. For my average win, it's around $714. Really, it's around $750, but you know, there is a price on the trade, and then that's just the average, guys. So let's just go over to the trades I have made. I made 2 trades on, which actually was on November the 8th and November the 9th. I guess they put them both at this time. Remember, I think FTMO is like London time, so I am in the US, so the time difference is, you can see right here. And I had another trade right here on the 10th. You can see my trade setups if you guys want to watch these right here. And I am trading Euro USD. I was looking for trades on pound in Japan and USD CAD and pound in USD, but the Euro USD is looking really good as I was trading. So let's go through these trades that I made. The first trade was right here on the 8th, which was a win. So I'm trading as the New York stock market opens. So this is what I was looking for. So the New York stock market open, it passed this resistance line. I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna make my entry as it get close back to support. So let me click this off real quick for you guys. So it passed up here, and that is my initial idea that this thing is still going up. And I got in right here at the line. I put my resistance somewhere down here, like 200 pips, and 200, 300 pips, depending on this. Usually I make them 1-to-1, and then I just wait, shut the computer off, and just walk away. And then I get an alert when it's somewhere around here to push back up, and I may exit my trade. My next trade was right here on the 9th. Let me click this off for you guys. So this was what I saw. I trade on the hour. This thing was just moving up, and as 8 o'clock hits right here, this thing continued to move up, and it broke this resistance up here, broke it. So I got in, and it pushed up more to this resistance area right here, but it just broke directly back down. So as I saw it breaking back down, I got out, and that's where you get this small loss right here. Remember, in trading, guys, okay, let me move myself over. So as you can see, the small little loss is where I got that trade right there. Now, remember, in trading, you want to minimize your, what you losing. I should have pushed up my stop loss. My stop loss is usually around this area next resistance. I should have pushed it up as it moved up, but I think work got into my life at that point. So I usually shut down my computer and walk away. So I wasn't able, but when I came back, I saw it pushing back down. I was like, okay, let me get out. Now, I want one thing for you guys to watch. If we move this into the 4-hour, let me just highlight this for you really quick, and something that I do watch. Moving to the 4-hour real quick. Moving to the 4-hour, we can see, man, there's been some resistance around this area. It was never pushing up there. It's just kept hitting this, and just never pushed. So I'm thinking it's going to hit this right here, and it's going to push up and go here and then come back down. But it just got directly pushed down because there is resistance right here, right here, and right here, and right here. Something I didn't expect, but it is there. So let's go on to the next trade. It was on the 10th. The next trade was on the 10th right here. $735 positive. Let's go to the 10th. All right. So this is trade right here. Let me get rid of this for you guys. So the market had opened up, and I was like, hey, as soon as this hit here from this candle, let's get closer real quick. from this candle right here, the market had opened up and got right here. And I was like, oh, it's going to push up. I'm going to put a short right here because you can see it pushed down, continuously pushed down, and it was holding this resistance. I was like, I'm going to make a short. The market just dumped right there, as you can see. And I was like, oh, well, it looks like that trade is over. But really, it pushed back up, back towards resistance. And I was like, oh, my trade is in. And I got in. And you can see with the candles, that mean this is a sale. And I was like, okay, let's just push it back down. And it went all the way back down to about, I think I got out right here. Yeah, I got out around this area and made my 200 pips 25. Sorry, I made my 20 to 25 pips, and that was the end of the game and got out. So that is my first week of my FTMO. I am up what? Let's bring up a calculator real quick. So right now I'm around 2.8%, which is nice. I need to get to 10%, so it's going to be taking more time. And if I would have just took the profits, I'd probably be up like 4 to 5%. So it was a good week. Now next week could be worse. I could take another loss, hopefully not, but we'll see. And I'll keep my journey of my FTMO challenge, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.